Question 5, June 2011. You are asked to find angle X, Y, and Z. Okay, if you look at this part here, it's a tangent, and TQ also is a tangent. So this is a tangent. Even this one is a tangent. When two tangents are drawn to a circle from a point outside it, they're supposed to be equal. So now we have two equal sides in a triangle. That means we have an isosceles triangle. When two sides are equal, two angles supposed to be equal. This side is opposite to this angle, and this side is opposite to this angle. So these two angles supposed to be equal. So since this is 54, this angle here also is 54. Okay, 54 plus 54 is 108. To 180, what's remaining is 72. So angle X is 72 degrees. Okay, look at this part. TP is a tangent, PO is a radius. The angle formed between a tangent and a radius is a right angle. So the angle between the tangent and the radius is a right angle. That means it's equal to 90 degrees. So 54 plus what gives us 90 plus 36. So Y equals 36. So Y is 36 degrees. If you look at OP, it's a radius. OQ, it's a radius. They're supposed to be equal. So when two sides are equal, two angles are equal. So the angle opposite to OQ is Y. The angle opposite to OP is this angle here. So this angle here is also 36. Base angles are equal. 36 plus 36 is 72. To 180, what's remaining is 108. So this angle here is 108. If you look at this 108, it's an angle at the center, and this arm is a radius, and this arm is a radius, and the angle lies at the center. So this angle is an angle at the center, or a central angle. It sweeps from P to Q, or from Q to P, from P to Q, or from Q to B. So P to Q or Q to P, here is the arc. And if you look at angle Z here, this angle, angle Z, lies where? Lies at the circumference. And PR is a chord and RQ is a chord. The arms are chord and the vertex lies where? On the circumference. So this angle Z, which moves from P until Q or from Q until P, here is the arc. It's sharing the same arc with the angle at the center. So the angle at the circumference should be half of the angle at the center, since they are sharing the same arc. Half of 108 is 54. So angle Z equals 54 degrees. Let us go to another question. 2011 V3. They ask you to find E, F, G, and H. Okay, let us take it step by step. If you look at OU is a radius, OV is a radius, the vertex lies at the center. So this angle 70 is the angle at the center, or a central angle. It moves from U until V, or from V until U, U to V or V to U. So here is the arc of this angle at the center. If you look at this angle, angle E, you can see the vertex lies on the circumference, and this is a chord, and this is a diameter, and the diameter is the greatest chord of the circle. So the arms are chords and the vertex lies on the circumference. So this angle at the circumference and this angle at the center, are they sharing the same arc? This arc in blue is for the angle at the center. Okay, the angle at the circumference, which is UTV, it starts from U until V, or from V until U. So here is the arc. it's clear that the angle at the center and the angle at the circumference are sharing the same arc. So the angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center. Half of 70 is 35. So this angle is what? Is 35. Angle E equals 35 degrees. Okay, look at TB or BT. Is it a tangent? Yes. And TO is a radius. Radius, tangent, tangent, radius. The angle formed between a tangent and a radius, the angle formed between them, it's 90. So the whole angle should be 90. This E is 35. So 35 plus what gives us 90? 35 plus 55. So angle F is 55 degrees. Angle F equals what? Angle F equals 55 degrees. Okay, look at angle F. If you want to describe angle F, it's an angle between what and what? Let us see. Angle F, it's between the tangent BT and the chord TU or UT. The angle between a tangent and a chord, this angle which is 55, it's equal to a circumference angle opposite to that chord on the alternate segment. You just need to follow the two ending points of the chord, T and U. Follow them until they meet each other at the circumference. Here is it. You can see they meet each other at the circumference. So this angle here, which is opposite to the chord, should be equal to the angle between the tangent and the chord. Again, the angle between the tangent and the chord, it's equal to the circumference angle opposite to that chord. So this is 55. G should be equal to 55. So G is 55 degree also. So G is what? G is 55 degrees. Now we need to find H. You can see this vertex, this one, and this one. The four vertices which form a quadrilateral, they all lie on the circumference of the circle. So this figure, which is U, X, T, W, is a cyclic quad. In a cyclic quad, opposite angles are supplementary. What does it mean? They add together to 180. So H plus 55 should be 180. So H equals what? H equals 125. So angle H equals 125 degrees. Another question, 2011 V1. Find Y, Z, and T. TA or AT is a tangent. Here it's a tangent, and OA is a radius. The angle formed between the tangent and the radius, it's a right angle. It's a 90 degree. So if this is Y, this angle is 50. So angle Z is 40. Why? Because 50 plus 40 is 90. So angle Z here, angle Z should be 40 degrees. So angle Z is what? Is 40 degrees. Now this is 90. You agree? Okay. So from O to A, is this a radius? Yes. From O to B, it's a radius, and they're supposed to be equal. So I'm talking about an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, two angles are equal. So if this angle is 50, this one also should be 50. Okay. Now 50 plus 50, 50, 50 plus 50 is 100. To 180, what's remaining? It's 80. So angle Y here, angle Y should be 80 degrees. Now let us look at AOT, the big triangle. This angle is 90, this is 80. 90 plus 80, 90 plus 80 is 170. To 180, what's remaining? It's 10. So this angle here, T, it's 10 degrees. Thank you, and this is 3 questions, and here is the solution. Thank you for watching.